Tired of manually transferring Facebook leads and watching potential deals slip through the cracks? In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Facebook lead ads directly to Follow Up Boss, turning your ad spend into a lead-generating machine that nurtures prospects while you focus on closing deals first. Logged into your Follow Up Boss account, make sure you have admin access to both Follow Up Boss and the Facebook page connected to your lead ads. This integration will require a third-party integration tool, Zapier, if you don't have a Zapier account. Create one now. Zapier offers a free plan that works for many basic integrations. Now, head over to Zapier and click Create Zap in the Trigger section. Search for Facebook lead ads and select it next. Connect your Facebook account and choose the specific Facebook page that's running your lead ads and the lead ad form you want to connect to Follow Up Boss now. Test the trigger to make sure Zapier can successfully pull in lead data. Next, in the Action section of Zapier, search for Follow Up Boss and select it. Connect your Follow Up Boss account. Choose Create Person as the action. Map the data fields from your Facebook lead ad form to the corresponding fields in Follow Up Boss, like name, email, and phone number now. Customize the lead source to Facebook ads or your unique marketing campaign to track performance effectively. After mapping, test the action to ensure data is being sent to Follow Up Boss correctly. Review the test lead in Follow Up Boss to confirm all the information transferred as expected. If everything looks good, turn on your Zap. From now on, whenever someone fills out your Facebook lead ad, their information will automatically populate in Follow Up Boss, ready for you to engage and convert. Congratulations! You've automated your lead capture and set yourself up for success.